Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer for this love pain, yeah?
Hello everyone, it's Keisha. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my classic size Happy Planner. I will be planning for, let's see, the week of May 20th through the 31st. So this week, on Monday is the day that the new Happy Planner squad will get notified through their emails. So I know everyone is anxious about that. And I applied as well, so I was a little bit nervous. But then throughout the week, I just started thinking, hey, I took a risk by just putting myself out there. That's just the latest risk I've done. Putting this YouTube channel together, uploading videos, hoping that somebody will, acknowledge that it's there. So with that, with all those feelings and emotions that we're going through, I thought this week I would use the encouragement sticker book. So I'm going to go ahead and take these pages off the disc. I'll probably also grab my colorful boxes. And so we will see how that goes. But I'll go ahead and speed the video up. And when I finish, I'll be back. All right, guys, so I went and I pulled these tiny sticker pads. You can see them. These are colorful boxes, and they are metallic, like, well, some of them have that metallic color. So I'm going to see if I can pull some of these into this spread, since I do have this metallic foiling on here. So, all right, let's see what this does. All right, guys, that's it. I'm going to stop while I'm ahead and go ahead and put these back on the disc. So it really didn't turn out like I had in mind, I guess because I did not have those pink boxes that I was looking for, but I did use the gray ones. Not gray, gold. I did use the gold ones. So all in all, I think it's pretty positive, and that is what we all need today. More positivity. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.